How to use cheap car insurance comparison tools properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Car insurance comparison tools are great for finding affordable coverage, but most beginners make mistakes that can cost hundreds or even thousands over time. You won't believe how often people overlook key details. The first mistake is comparing only price. The cheapest policy might lack essential coverage like uninsured motorist protection, roadside assistance, or comprehensive coverage. Always review the policy details, not just the premium. Another common error is entering inaccurate information. Age, driving history, vehicle type, and location all affect rates. Small mistakes can lead to misleading quotes that don't reflect your actual costs. Many users ignore discounts. Most insurers offer savings for bundling, safe driving, or low mileage. Failing to apply these discounts can make a cheap policy look more expensive than it really is. A surprising mistake is not checking claims support and customer service. Price matters, but responsiveness and claims processing speed are critical when an accident happens. Read reviews and ratings before choosing a policy. Finally, beginners forget to update quotes regularly. Premiums change due to market conditions, driving history, or added coverage. Comparing tools periodically ensures you maintain the best rate. To properly use cheap car insurance comparison tools, focus on coverage details, enter accurate information, apply discounts, check customer service, and update quotes regularly. This approach saves money while protecting you and your vehicle effectively.